Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, represents a significant branch of computer science dedicated to creating machines capable of intelligent behavior. Originating in the mid-20th century, AI has evolved from a theoretical concept to become a fundamental part of modern technology. It plays a pivotal role in various aspects of our daily lives, significantly altering how we interact with the world around us. An integral component of AI, machine learning, focuses on developing algorithms that allow computers to learn and make decisions from data, eliminating the need for explicit programming. Standing at the forefront of AI advancements, machine learning is propelled by the increasing power of computation and the availability of large datasets. At its core, AI aims to equip machines with the ability to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes capabilities such as problem solving, speech recognition, understanding languages, and making decisions. The evolution of machine learning, from simple pattern recognition to complex algorithms capable of learning from their environment, signifies a substantial leap in technological capability. AI endeavors to replace or simulate human intelligence in machines. This involves machines interpreting complex data, learning from it, and executing tasks based on this acquired knowledge. A distinct feature of machine learning is its inherent capacity for self-improvement. As these systems are exposed to new data, they adapt, becoming more efficient and effective at their tasks. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing various industries, automating processes, and providing new capabilities in sectors ranging from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. As AI becomes more prevalent in our lives, it brings about ethical considerations related to privacy, security, and the impact on employment. The development of AI needs to address these concerns to ensure it yields benefits for society. The influence of AI in our daily lives is becoming more pronounced. Personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and Amazon are reshaping our experiences and interactions, making AI an increasingly integral part of our routine. The realm of AI is rapidly evolving, with research continuously expanding the boundaries of what's possible. Innovations in machine learning algorithms, data processing, and computational power are enhancing the capabilities of AI. However, alongside its potential, AI and machine learning also face challenges like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and ethical considerations, which need careful attention. In conclusion, AI and machine learning represent a significant advancement in technology, offering unparalleled opportunities for innovation and improvement across various sectors. As these technologies continue to evolve, they present a mix of exciting possibilities and important challenges. Understanding and adapting to these developments is crucial as we step into an increasingly AI-driven future.